Here, take the offering.
Oh, yes. Why do you give such a plain offering every day? Can't you serve me a whole sweet piece someday? Today the doctor's not home, so there's some peace in the house.
Doctor? Who are you talking about, Dad? Who's your doctor?
Don't you get it? He's talking about Sid.
Yes, Siddharth Modak.
Just because they want to spend one night in Rajiv's house, he wants to have a whole suite using that chance. I'm not Mithai, so there won't be any irregularity here.
Exactly right, Mom. So, Mom, today's prayers were something special or what?
Believe me, Lata. Since I heard yesterday that the police cleared all the charges against Mithai, a weight has been lifted off my chest. That's why I had a special prayer.
Even though I don't have sweets regularly, a burden has also been lifted off my chest. Won't I celebrate it?
Oh, Dad. Will such a tiny celebration suffice in the Modak family? And you want to celebrate just with one whole piece of sweet? Shame, shame, shame. Let the party gang come. I'll tell them everything. There. I just remembered them and then
No, Grandpa. This will not do that we have to travel to Manohara so frequently and then leave from here. This is not done. Grandma, you make some arrangements. Arrange for a lizardless room for us here in Manohara. We will shift here.
That's a brilliant idea, Rajiv. Can there be anything better than this?
Grandma, don't you even think about this? With you all around, he will keep making demands for food delicacies.
Hey, are Shri and Ratul fighting?
A little. Ratul? I was asking, will you have tea? Mom, wait, I will make tea. Oh, damn. Hey, Mom. Mom, listen. Sid has gone on a morning walk from our house. And he has taken Mithai with him.
What?
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 Yes. Both of them will be here any moment. Whatever you were thinking of, you can say it now.
Yeah, Appa. What were you saying? Go ahead.
Yes, sing. Listen, everyone. There's a wedding function in Manohara tomorrow evening. Everyone tell me, what will you do?
Wedding?
What?
Wedding? Whose wedding is it tomorrow?
Sulata, there's a lot of time for you and my younger brother's marriage anniversary.
Yes.
And we would surely not get you married tomorrow. It's Siddharth and Mithai's wedding tomorrow. Understood?
Oh.
Hey, Appa. Would you get them remarried?
Oh, Dad. Even you are not getting it. Dad, the earlier wedding can't be called a wedding.
Cookie is right. Grandson did not used to believe in weddings earlier.
Mr. Bittergaard has left for foreign for a long time. He said he would inform grandfather gradually.
What are you saying, Mithai? But everyone told me that Siddharth has accepted the wedding. Is that all a lie?
Can Mr. Bittergaard ever accept a marriage, Brother Rajiv? To him, marriage is a terror. His mom's suffering keeps flashing back to him. But he still tried, Brother Rajiv. The man tried a lot. But he could not.
Yeah, that's right. But you know what, Appa? Another function should not lead to another clash in the family.
Dad is right on that. Samresh would be furious. No. Samresh can stir up tension if there's some function in the house. Maybe I can talk to Dad? Aunt, you prepare for the wedding.
Yeah, and it's just the family who will be there at the wedding. Last ritual, even the garland exchange wasn't done, right?
Mom, darling, I'm curious, would the bride and groom know about this wedding?
Surprise. We will surprise Siddharth. Well, we will only do everything once Siddharth returns from the office. Oh, Mom, why are you so quiet? If you won't say anything, it won't work. Please say.
No, I have no objection. There will be a celebration in the family. If Sri can explain Somu, where's the problem then?
No. Okay, let it be. But there is a condition. You will need to feed me Raj Bhog. So tell your mom in advance.
Laundry.
Give it to me. Grandma? How much is it?
200.
Wait. Listen. Does anyone have 200 rupees?
Yes.
I'll pay the laundry
I will
man and
get
let him
it.
go.
I'll pay.
No, Ratul. Hey,
No, I'll
Shri.
pay.
Shri, stop
Auntie,
him.
it's okay.
Why would he pay? I was getting it from the room.
It's okay, I'll pay. Here.
No worries, aunt. You can pay it later.
Hey Sri, please do not give him the money.
What?
Maja, we can't give you clothes anymore.
Why, madam?
Hey, Grandma, what happened to you now?
See this. Earlier he put a mark on a white dress, and see how today he has made a hole in this ethnic dress. Is this some joke?
I didn't do it. It was there.
What do you mean it was already there? It can be seen this hole is made from the sparks of fire. And you are saying it was already there. Just because Som doesn't get angry, you will do anything you want. Would you say the same if it was Siddhartha's shirt?
See, Grandpa, how ma'am is yelling at me? Ma'am, am I a new guy? Why would I lie? I agreed last time. The streak in the sari was my fault. I am not arguing on that. But the fault was not mine this time.
Leave it, Sushma. Why are you blaming him needlessly when he's saying he didn't do that?
This is how you spoil them.
Grandma, listen. You better buy some new ethnic dresses for Shom. He wears the old dresses everywhere. They are bound to get damaged. What's the matter? Why has everyone gathered here? Is there a large plan in progress? Rajiv?
What?
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 Plan.
Oh, plan. We don't make the plan, bro. You are the one who devises the plans. We execute it. So what's the matter, huh? You're looking very happy?
Right. So, Mithai, you jog in parallel with Mr. Bittergourd or you leave him behind?
The spoiled prince was quite quick, but Mithai's speed is no less.
So there's some good news for everyone. We went to Rudy's chamber and we found a clue as well. The real culprit will be caught very soon.
What?
Really?
Yes, Grandpa. Where will he run to after harming us like this? He has to be caught at any cost.
Oh Lord, what did you just show to Mithai? Mithai's doubt is proved true, oh Lord. What will Mithai do now?
Hey, Mithai. What are you doing with this ethnic dress? Grandma will yell if she saw this.
No, nothing.
Siddharth, what is wrong with Mithai? She seemed quite disturbed. Is everything all right?
Sid, let me tell you something. Can you go to your room? Actually, Mithai has been suffering a lot. I hope you can understand. She won't show it, but she has been hurt internally. She's affected. Please, you must go upstairs.
Dad, the wedding function is just for upholding the tradition. You know what, Dad? Siddharth has accepted Mithai as his wife.
Yes.
Don't we have a love master among us? Huh? There he is. Mr. Rajiv. Mr. Rajiv, what's your view on this matter?
Who knows, Mom, darling? I'm not quite sure. The thing is, Love Guru's recent ideas have been mostly a failure. Let's arrange the wedding and see how Siddharth reacts.
No one should be aware of this. None can learn of this.
What is not to be learnt, Mithai? What happened?
No, nothing. That you would take a bath now? Your towel is on the roof, most probably, but wait, I will get it. Oh no, the dew drops. The dew must be collecting on it the whole night. I will get it. Oh, I see. It was in the room. Okay, I will freshen up. I have a lot of work.
What happened, Mithai? Tell me the truth. Listen, don't make any more mistakes. I'm sure you've learned something about arson. What did you learn?
Nothing as such. Oh Lord. Lord, please. Mita is not even able to lie properly to Mr. Bitterguard.
What's the matter? Where did they go this early in the morning? Have they learned something? Oh, Som, look at your condition.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mithai, whatever you just told me, say all that in front of Gopal. What happened? Come on. Tell your Gopal that nothing happened and I'll believe it. Listen, Mithai. We have already been through a lot. Please don't let any more harm come to us. I'm sure you have learned something. Do you have a suspect?
I mean, I have a doubt. That could be wrong. But
But what, Mithai? Tell me.
we saw a hand in the camera footage talking over the phone in a hiding spot. The ethnic dress that person was wearing, there was a burnt spot there. I have seen that. And the ethnic dress downstairs?
Mithai, do you have any idea who you're pointing at?
I didn't want to say it. You forced me into it.
But it was you who had this doubt, Mithai. How could you even imagine that Shom could do? I'll come Shom over. Right now.
No, listen, wait. Wait. Listen, wait.
What happened, Shom? Why are you standing here?
I came to ask you if you have change of 2,000 rupees.
Give me a note.
Yes, it's in my room.
Shom. There's something I need to discuss with you today. Please come inside.
Siddharth, I'm leaving for the shop
Shom?
right now.
You very well know that when I get fixated on something, I don't let it go. I want our discussion to be away from Grandpa. Please come inside. Come. Mithai, come inside. Mithai, just close the door. Shom, I have something to ask of you and I want to ask you that directly.
Ask about what, Siddharth?
In our base kitchen, Makhan Mandal, whose real name is Shankar, was the one who committed arson as proved by the confession. But who appointed and sent him there still needs to be discovered. And Shom, look, I won't ask you in riddles. I'm going to ask you directly, okay? Are you that man? Tell me.
No matter how, I need to distract Siddharth.
Shom, please answer me.
What should I answer? I can't even imagine you asked me something like this. This means, like your dad, you too think that I want to hurt this family. When this question has crossed your mind, then I'll quickly wrap up my business in this house. I'll leave this house today itself, Siddharth. I want to ask you one thing. Who put this doubt in your mind? Mithai. Why are you doing this, Mithai? I won't disagree that I couldn't accept you become a part of our family business and you were rising on the top. I couldn't. I really couldn't. I'm even not too fond of this marriage between you and my brother. But you turned my brother against me for that? Shame. You will sabotage the relationships now. You will turn anyone who doesn't like you into a villain? Amazing. Amazing, Mithai. Siddharth, don't worry. I'll leave this house.
Oh Lord, Mithai could have tolerated going to prison 1,000 times. Why did you put this allegation on me?
Stop this pretense of acting great. I always thought you wanted to control Siddharth. You are extremely clever. Acting all good, pretending to be so innocent, you could get Siddharth's sympathy. You understood that quite earlier. Right, Mithai? That's why you have been here for so long without claiming any rights. Although you don't get a single rupee from the Siddheshwar Modak. And you also know that. The marriage between you and Siddharth has no meaning. He went to Singapore for a long time to avoid this bond of marriage. And yet you still keep...
Hold on, Shom. Just hold on. Who told you all this? My assignment is a long-term project. Only my office people knew that, and I told Mithai. And I'm sure Mithai won't tell you this. So then who told you this, Shom?
Hello? Hello, Shom? Shom, is everything all right there? I was quite worried. Did anybody doubt you? Hello? Hello, can you hear me, Shom? Hello?
Not just Shom, Tess. Not just Shom. I too can hear every single word of yours. I turned on the speaker on Shom's phone. Now tell me, Tess, how are you involved in this whole thing? Just confess it, Tess, or I won't spare anyone. I'll call Rudy right away. See, there's already a police case going on for arson. The police are on it. I'll inform the police about everything I've learned.